3-bed, 2-bath, 1,290 square feet. 3,920 square foot lot, 3508 Orchard Street, Lincoln, Nebraska, 68503. Don't wait to make this adorable 2-story home yours today. Just a couple blocks from UNL's East Campus and a stone's throw from the tree-lined streets of Professor Row, this home is in a superb location. There's so much charm and character throughout. The front porch greets you as you enter. Inside, you'll find a large living room with a fireplace. There are arched doorways and wood floors throughout the home. The dining room leads to the kitchen with white cabinetry, appliances stay, and a lovely bar area nook that is completely charming. The second floor has all 3 bedrooms. One is smaller, great for a nursery or office, and the updated full bath. There are newer windows throughout the home. The basement level is completely unfinished and leaves opportunity. There's also a 3-4 bath and laundry in the basement. Brand new AC and furnace in 2020. The yard is very manageable and has a single-stall garage with a long driveway. Come tour this one today.